Okay, the headlight bezels, turn signals are in. I need to order new turn signals because the plastic is all tore up on the back. I was going to clean them up, but I was like, well, the plastic's all broken, they need replaced anyway, so why clean them up? But looking here at the chrome headlights, the chrome is in rough shape. So what I'm going to do for now, take these black headlight bezels, clean them up, and spray them with this metallic silver. It's not quite chrome, but I think I'll like it. It is metallic aluminum. Let's see what it looks like here. I mean, it's not chrome, but it is shiny. And see if I can get these re-chromed. If not, I'll order a set of chrome ones eventually. Not a big deal. But actually, real quick, let's throw those on black. See how I like those black ones on there. And if I repaint these ones, it's fine because they've never been chrome coated. So, I mean, the spray paint will stick to them just fine. It's just a base plastic. And they've, appearance-wise, been spray painted black before. I don't think the factory paint would do that, but it is a very old vehicle. So, I don't know. I'm kind of torn. What the hell was that? Anyways, I'm kind of torn between the black headlight bezels and the chrome ones. I'm not sure which way to go. Should we put it to a vote? Okay, after talking to a few friends, I think I'm going to go with black because I have a black bumper and a black grill guard. So it'll be a nice mix and match between black and chrome. I think the chrome headlights will just be too much. And like I said, if I want to go back to chrome, well, I got them. Just got to get them re-chromed. I really need to make some room in the garden shed for all my extra parts. But let's grab the bumper and the Grille guide. This is back when push bars were actually fucking meant to do something. Sorry for the incoming loud noise. Let's get this bumper. One hand, like a man. It's what men were meant to do. Let's start sanding. Okay, before we sand, let's get out the old noise-making hammer and make this thing not look like a mountain. I'll check back in after I get that done.
Welcome to Quick Trip.
Did I make it in time for the barbecue? You didn't sell out, did you?
Of course not.
That's what I'm talking about.
Right now.
A little bit of heat and a little bit of the attitude adjuster. It looks way better. And while I was working on it, I discovered this bumper has been repaired. I think what I might do before I paint it is take a really heavy washer and weld around the hole to make the hole stronger. What would be even more cool, well, cooler, sorry for my terrible English there, would be to gusset the bumper from here with a big old triangle over to here. And this thing would be pretty strong because these are already 3/16 at least stamped steel. So if I were to put that gusset right along this upper ridge of the factory bumper and put two kickers here and right here close to the hole, this thing would probably almost as strong as a ranch hand, honestly. But looks way better. Still a little wavy. I'm not going for Barrett Jackson's. I'm going to make my own damn self happy. Okay, I don't want to hear anyone ever say you can't paint chrome again. Because apparently the bumper on my Bronco that has been black since I bought it when I was 16, 14 years ago, was chrome. As I'm wire brushing away the loose paint, look what I see. That's copper. Either copper or nickel. I'm pretty sure it's copper. But they had to copper coat these before they could chrome them. See, there's chrome, there's copper. I'm guessing when this damage was repaired, they said, fuck it. Let's paint the bumper black. We'll hide the damage. God damn, I did a good job fixing that up. Somebody hire me or give me a TV show or something. Redneck Rebuilds or Broke Wallet Some Bitch Garage. Something. Anyways, I am going to sand the bumper. Actually, no, before I sand it, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to clean the back of it because nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. So when I paint this thing, I need to paint front and back so the rust don't show through. Yeah, look at that. Look at that right there. You can see right there in the corner, there's some original factory green from when they painted the Bronco or repainted the Bronco. I don't know. But there's a run of black. You can paint chrome. Prep work. Prep work is important. And yes, I know I'm the guy spray painting my shit and saying prep work's important, but it is. Spray paint can last a long time if the prep work's done properly. Is this thing going to be repainted with a professional gun? Yes. But I got to do body work, replace the quarter panels, replace the everything. Then we'll worry about some real paint. But anyways, I'm going to get to sanding and cleaning on this bumper some more. After sanding the back of a chrome bumper, you gotta make sure to cook the moisture out of it. See that moisture line? That's why you can never get anything to stick to chrome. It holds moisture. Got to cook all the moisture out before you paint it. Okay, so I painted the back of the bumper with the metallic aluminum spray paint because I was curious on how it would look in case I decided, yeah, you can really see those welds now. In case I wanted to paint the headlight buckets with that color, and I'm a fan. I like it. But The only problem with that spray paint was apparently the nozzle had a leak. So now I look like the Tin Man. I did not realize that until I was done painting. But I'm going to let this dry, sand it down, and coat it with 2 coats of black, and that's good for the inside of the bumper. No one will ever see it, but I was curious on how the metallic aluminum, on how it looked. I only had like half a can, but I like it. So, I mean, that'll be a good substitute for chrome headlight bezels. Because, I mean, it looks good. I mean, as good as spray paint can look, I guess. But we'll let this dry. And I'll throw 2 coats of black on it. And then I will, I'll flip the bumper over and sand the front. And 2 coats of primer on the front of the bumper, and then probably 3 coats of black, and we'll call it good.